It's Wednesday morning and we just arrived at the market in a local town. We haven't been to this market yet, so let's see what we can find here. And what we didn't know is that we had a little surprise waiting for us.
Mommy?
What is that, Zeki?
Mommy! Pink monkey!
This one? Okay. Oh. Oh, very kind. Are you having a little rest? Zaki, what would you like?
A pig.
A piggy one too?
Yeah.
All right. Right next to the market, Felicia spotted the local park, which has been transformed for Halloween. It was super spooky and the kids absolutely loved it. They even forgot about the cake we just bought a few minutes before.
The bone.
Bones, that's right!
I like a pizza.
Well, wouldn't say princess, but maybe one day was a princess. What is it? Oh my goodness! There is a witch behind us and we haven't even seen! Oh! Yes! There was even a playground opposite the park. What a day for the kids! And I can also sit down on a bench and eat my croissant. Or at least I thought. But France had other plans. It started raining. What do you want?
Pig.
Do you want the piggy? Zaki, do you want a piggy?
Yeah.
Right. So, can you pull the paper off of... No, just the paper. Not the box, just the paper. At the bottom. Yeah, that's it. Slowly, 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 slowly. Woo! Right, we're gonna have to eat this in a car, change of plans because it's raining now. So much for our peaceful cake moment. The cakes need to wait, we had to run back to the car. Right, we got rained on, so we're having the piggies at home. They slightly mushed. Do you want some?
Yeah.
Piggy!
I would like them.
Whoa! Yummy! Zeki, use your fork. Where's your fork? What do we say to Mommy? Welcome. And Mommy also gonna finish her croissant. In the afternoon, we headed for a walk just outside our village to collect some natural materials for our Halloween craft. Doing Franca.
Ah, that's perfect.
Yay! Thank you. Thank you. Wow, that's super long. Careful with Zaki.
The tum-tum. The tum-tum. Oh, here.
It is time to put our nature walk finds to good use. We are making a witch broom.
What is it? What is... What is...
Woo! I spotted these beautiful dried branches on our walk and I thought they would look great in a vase. Free autumn decor. I promised the kids a special Halloween treat for the afternoon, but we were running out of time. So I made ghost-shaped sugar cookies, super quick to make, and they were actually quite nice. This is how we spent a Wednesday here in the south of France. From market finds to Halloween crafts, just another exciting day for the kiddies.